Hi, this is Roger Duffy with Marine Max Sail and Ski. Please join me for a tour of this beautiful 2004 Sea Ray 480 motor yacht. I wanted to start here in the master stateroom because this is so different from almost any other boat in this size category. This master stateroom is full width, and it's a good apartment-sized bedroom, and it's on a boat. It's amazing. You've got a large Sony TV. This is a full walk-in shower, a vanity area with sink, and here's the head compartment. There's a ton of storage in this boat with built-in drawers, built-in closets, and imagine if we wanted to get real crazy, we could pull up that bed and there's probably some storage under there. But we're not going to do that today. There's a lot of natural lighting. This window here opens up to the swim platform, and there's just not really another boat like this. Check out the Salon on this beautiful 480 motor yacht. Got great opposing seating. This table here has these ottoman that will come out. They've got the ability to raise and lower this table and have seating on both sides of it. You've got opposing seating on the other side that will give you a great conversation area with a lot of natural light. This is a great place to spend time. The dinette area seats 4 comfortably and 6 in a pinch. So it's great for serving meals, and it gives you easy access to the galley. The galley on this boat is equipped with a 3-burner stove and a good sized refrigerator and freezer. This would be a similar to what you'd see in a dorm or an apartment. Here we have the guest stateroom, which on most boats you could argue and call it a master. It's got a full-size bed. It's got its own bathroom with shower. This gives you a good view of the guest head and shower. One of the most surprising things about this boat is right over here. It's a 3rd stateroom. So you can have that as 2 single beds, or it can make into 1 large bed. Welcome to the cockpit of this beautiful 480 motor yacht. The helm is laid out really nice. You've got a bow thruster, separate shifts and throttles. This boat's equipped with radar and the Sea Ray Navigator chart plotter. And notice the thing that I like almost the best about this boat, these air conditioning vents. So the driver and all the passengers in here are enjoying climate controlled boating. The cockpit seating here is really great. You've got plenty of room for about 6 or 7 people here. A little jump seat here if somebody wants to be able to watch where we're going. An extra TV and a lot more air conditioning. We've got curtain enclosures, so this can be open or closed depending on what your preference is. We're on the bow of this 480 motor yacht. Notice the sun pad here, and then glance back. See how long this boat is? Holy cow. Up here we have our anchor windlass, flags, remote controlled spotlight, and on-deck anchor controls. This is an awesome boat. Thanks for joining us on this tour of this beautiful 2004 Sea Ray 480 motor yacht, Champagne Lady. She's a 100% freshwater boat, ready for a new owner.
I hope you find these walkthroughs to be helpful. If you need any additional information, please call me, Roger Duffy, at 512-750-8169. We'll see you on the water.